am Shakti Lavanya, an upcoming engineer pursuing B Computer Science and Engineering third year in Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, Coimbatore. This video is a virtual pitching of our project idea for Sri Ishwar's Innovative Challenge 2020. On behalf of my team, I would like to thank my department and my institution for giving us an opportunity to participate in this competitive event. Moving on to our project details, the Runtime Terrors is the team name and the team is guided by our two mentors, Ms. Shanmugapriya P, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Ms. Gayatri N, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The leader of this trios is Saket Kumar of CSE Department, Vipin Kumar Yadav of the same department, and myself, Shakti Lavanya. And the description of our team members is over. So without any delay, let's switch over to the problem statement. In India, more than 50% of the total workforce is into agriculture and it contributes to around 17 to 18% of the country's GDP, that is, gross domestic product. Nowadays, farmers are not able to attain the proper income for their produce. They undergo huge loss, and so, as a result of losing confidence and facing frustrations, more than 12,000 farmers are committing suicide every year. So, as responsible engineers, we have tried our best to overcome the problems of farmers by building a mobile application for them where they can sell their yield at a better rate. We will be educating the farmers on the available schemes provided by the Government of India and the respective state government under the scheme Padega India Tabito Badega India via daily tutorials and news. And we could start the campaign through village panchayat BDO and teach them how to use and get benefited from our application. Our idea is to support direct selling where the produce will directly be sold to the buyers by avoiding the intermediates like wholesalers and retailers. As 70% of the price is increased due to these intermediates, we will be having an integrated delivery system with it to deliver the product to the buyers within a day or two. This will provide a dual market to the farmers as they can buy with the ongoing methods and can also start with business with our app. The app will support multilingualism, which will be easier for both the buyers and the farmers. Using the app, the farmer of a village or a city can sell the produce only in the certain radius to avoid the extra delivery charge. Moving on to gap analysis. First, we should know what is gap analysis. Gap analysis is a comparison of the current state with an ideal state, or to make more sense, an ideal state of goals. Through gap analysis, we can obtain some shortcomings and opportunities for the improvement of our project.
We will be focusing more on farmers, but our target customers will be the farmers, the consumers, which may include the household persons and the restaurant owners, the delivery agents, and also the shopkeepers. Next comes the customer value proposition. For farmers, they can get the proper amount for their produce. We will also provide a place where they can interact with the fellow farmers and can get some advices if they want. This will provide a dual marketplace for the farmers where they can sell their produce. There would be no bargaining for buying the fruits and vegetables. Farmers need not take their produce to the mandis and pay the money to the brokers for selling their own produce. Same way for the buyers, they'll get the organic fruits and vegetables at an affordable rate. This will get a variety of options from which they can decide the farmers from whom they want to buy. They need not go to the mandis and carry their luggages, rather they can give some amount to the delivery agent for delivering it. As far as uniqueness are concerned, we will tell the farmers how they can use this application in an effective way. We will make them aware about the benefits they can avail which are provided by the government to them. We will promote digital mode of payment which can help the farmers to keep a proper track of their business. We will allow the farmers to select their preferable languages. We will also direct them the modern way of cultivation. We will also make them aware of the terms and conditions which everyone need to follow to avoid malpractices. Comes the process flow diagram. First is customer segment. Main focus would be on the small scale farmers. Our main idea is to create a simple application using which the farmers can sell their produce to the variety of customers. Next, value proposition. We will be mainly focusing for providing a user friendly application for both the farmers and the buyers. Third, the revenue stream. First, we'll help the small scale farmers to establish their business. Later, we can charge a 5% commission from them to provide the user friendly service, and also will provide some add-ons features. We'll also allow some advertisements in our applications and can generate the money from it. Fourth is a channel. We'll create a YouTube channel and upload some tutorial videos both for the farmers and the buyers, using which they can understand the workflow of the application. Next comes the key activities and resources. A proper check will be done to verify the accounts of farmers and will be updating the farmers if any changes is to be made. All we need is the platform to access the application, that's a smartphone. And the key partners, the farmers, the customers, delivery agents, the advertising agencies will be our key partners.
So, this is all about our project. Thanks for watching.